Guys, the day is finally here. It's a day late and a battery short, but he just called me. He's right up the road here, and within just 3 or 4 minutes, he's going to be coming down the hill, and we're going to get this 2017 Road Glide Performance Ultra off the trailer. Can't wait. If you haven't seen the other video, either go back and check it out, or I'll briefly tell you, it's getting an entire new brake system, entire new suspension, entire new big motor build. This thing's going to be putting out tons of torque, tons of horsepower. They got the dyno sheet on the bike. I actually know what the numbers are, but I'm not going to tell you now. This thing ought to rip, man. I can't wait to get it down the road. Blue's out of town. Got to do this one by myself today. He'll be back tonight. We're going to take this thing probably up to Asheville tomorrow. Jonesing, man. I'm getting nervous. They come out, where's he at? You know how it is. Probably be hearing a big old diesel come down that hill. Then I'll know. I guess I'll walk on out there. I don't hear him, but he said he was 5 minutes away when he called. He ought to damn be coming down the hill. I'm having them deliver it to the clubhouse instead of the house. It's easier. It's more flat down here, right outside the driveway. And if we unloaded it off a trailer, I was gonna have to push it up the hill. That didn't sound like a lot of fun. Luckily, Blue had a extra battery. I got that thing on the battery tender. Oh, it's green. It's ready to go. So I thought we might have to wait a few hours. We're not. As soon as that thing gets here, we're gonna swap this battery out and take it for a rip. Yeah. I gotta find a screwdriver. Phillips head. Blue's probably got all his damn tools with him. His 5 essentials. If you don't know what the 5 essentials are, go back and look through the videos. 5 things you should always carry on your motorcycle. I hear the truck. There he is. It's being delivered, baby. I was gonna set this thing down so in case he needs help or something. How many bikes you got in there?
3 right now.
So I got a little ahead of myself and I already yanked the seat off because, as I said, a day late and a battery short, there's no battery in it. They said my battery was dead. I was like, well, I have a spare. Here's the first look at the bike. I like that it still says 107. And somewhere under there are some big old Olane shocks. They were definitely shitting and getting last night to get this thing out the door and on the truck. But look here, all these parts I gotta put on, which is okay. I mean, I'd rather have it today than to have missed the truck. Who knows when I would have got it. I'm sure I'll do a full walk around. But right now, it's not that time. Right now, I just want to get on it and go rip. All right, I got this thing all tidied up. Ready to go. Got the camera mounted on the side so we have some 360 footage. I have not cranked it. Not at all. So it's going to be the first crank. Definitely a cold start. thing sounds good. Listen to it. Give it a few revs. I'm gonna tell you something. Them things should be called neighbor haters. Holy crap. Next time I leave at 4 a.m. Holy crap. Well, that's enough of that. I'll stick the helmet on, go for a ride.